the mystical realm of fantasy, a land of ancient magic and mythical creatures, inspired by the iconic Filipino fantasy series, Encantadia. The 12 Wizards of Filipinas will embark on an epic journey to showcase their creativity, charisma, and bravery. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Creative Fantasy Costume Competition of the 12 Misters of Filipinas. Beginning with
representing Reversica as the rice granary of the Philippines, abundant in natural wealth and strengthened by the resilience of its people. From the golden crown, armor, and globe, embodying the dignity and strength of the Novovicianos, to the twin staffs signifying the abundance and rhythm of planting and harvest, unfolds the story of the land and soul of Novovicica. Designer John Nicola